Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel and welcome back if you've been here before. Today, it's Monday Matters. On the show this week, I'll be having a look at some news and rumours from around the model making world. I'll be giving you a report of what I've been up to in the past week with On the Bench. And of course, I'll be announcing this week's kit of the week. All these things come as chapters. You can hop backwards and forwards as your heart desires. Now, if you enjoy the video, and I hope you do, please do remember to let me know by giving it a thumbs up below. And also, if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe to the channel. You do that by clicking on the small logo in the bottom right corner of the screen. Doesn't cost you anything, helps me really quite a lot. If you'd like to give more concrete support to the channel, you can do that through Super Thanks down here. Or you can do that through Patreon and Buy Me a Coffee. Links to both of those are in the information box below, as is a link to my merchandise store in case you want to buy something with the Gary's Stuff logo on it, just for yourself or indeed for that very special Gary in your life. Let's get on then and have a look at the news of the week. Academy is releasing a new tool of the F-104 Starfighter in 1/72nd scale. Such a clean, elegant aircraft, and shown to great advantage by one Carlos Alonso, the artist used by KP. Like he's not been busy enough already this year. Armour Hobby has a new box of their very good 1/72nd scale Hurricane, this time as a double set of aircraft that flew during the Dieppe raid of 1942. It apparently includes 3D printed bombs and other parts, but I'm sure we'd all rather see the promised 1/48th kit instead. Apparently that's now due in October. Clearprop has a new tooled MiG-19 in the offing. It will be interesting to compare this with the KP version we've seen recently. Armour Models has a couple of Kamov Ka-52s, which the Russians call Alligator, and NATO reports as Hoken Bravo. Versions will appear in both 1/48th and in 1/72nd scale. Border Models has this CAD image of their new Nakajima Kate in the strangely terrestrial 1/35th scale. Not entirely sure a carrier-borne torpedo bomber will be used in many military dioramas, but there we go, it looks good anyway. Now, have you ever fancied building a P-38 Orion in 1/72nd? How about 1/48th, even 1/32nd? Now, One Man Model has all of these now thanks to 3D printing technology. These and the Lockheed Electra are now available online, part of a range of esoteric kits in 3D printed ABS, such as this Dornier DOX and this Saunders Row Princess. Peddinghaus has new figures of a 20mm flak crew and 10 figures with the Panzerschreck anti-tank weapon, all in 1/48th scale. Really nice for an urban diorama. But for super accuracy, if you're making a 1/35th Centurion tank, Scorpion has a dozen or more detail kits available for the many marks of the Centurion. Really high attention to detail here. Rather more refined on wheels from Hella is this reissue of the Citroën 15/6 Traction Avant in 1/8th scale. Now, it's not a new kit by any means, as it first appeared in 1977, but you've got to take notice when this kind of thing comes back on the market. 1,054 pieces, yes, you heard me correctly, 1,054, and it's just shy of 60 centimetres or 2 feet when complete. Absolutely gorgeous. And finally, it's worth taking a look at the increasing range of 1/350th scale ships from 3D Wild. The latest is the Zuiho Light Carrier. You can get 1/350th planes for it as well, and capital ships such as the Oyodo. As this kit of the Kii shows, you get an awful lot of detail with these. On the bench this week was the Airfix 1/48th scale kit of the North American F-51D Mustang. Now, this was a very enjoyable kit to make. There's plenty of detail and some clever design work, and it ends up looking pretty spectacular, although I still wish I'd done the Swedish markings, but then I wouldn't have rockets. On Feature Friday I did an introduction to paintbrushes as we use them in modelling and figure painting, along with some ideas for reuse and repurposing of old brushes. I've already been asked about tutorials on photo etch and polyurethane resin, so look out on the channel for those in the future, and if you've got any other ideas, give me a shout. I hope you enjoyed that kind of tutorial information thing. Trying different things all the time on the channel. Let me know what you think anyway. All of that brings us to the announcement of this week's kit of the week, and I'm going heavy metal, I'm going modern, I'm going MiG 31 in 1/72nd scale from ICM. Now this is a kit I picked up at AJ Aviation, do check them out. And it's something I've wanted to build for a little while. There's a analytics part of the engine here on YouTube, which lets me know what people are searching for who have also come to my channel. So they are looking for all sorts of different things, but it tells me what types of planes you're looking at as well. And MiG 31 and MiG 25 are aircraft that a lot of you seem to look up on YouTube, as well as looking up my channel. So I thought, why not do a MiG 31? So as usual, on Tuesday there'll be the box opening, on Wednesday the build, and on Thursday the combo special with some bonus historical material. Then there's Feature Friday, and this week I'm looking at twin fuselage aircraft. Think of Twin Mustang, Heinkel 111Z, things like that. I'll be looking at sort of planes that have been made over the years with two fuselages, and what kits may be available of them for you to make. As I've told you so many times before, I love odd stuff. So that's on Friday. Do come back for that, that could be quite fun. Then of course by Monday it's time for another Monday Matters, and we'll be here all over again. So that's a lot to look forward to. Now if you've enjoyed this, please do let me know by clicking on the thumbs up below, and also if you haven't done so, please do subscribe to the channel. All you have to do is click on that logo down in the bottom right. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps me enormously. In any case, I hope to see you back here very, very soon. Take care, and thanks very much for watching.